Assalamu alaikum, honorable teacher and my fellow classmates. I am very glad to here to do my presentation in front of you. Today, our presentation's title is Pastel and Soft Analysis about the solar driving vehicles and hydrocarbon fuel vehicle driving vehicle in concept of Bangladesh. So, myself Abdur Rahman Tutul, AIUB. So now I am going to the second slide, which is about the list of content. Today, first of all, I would discuss about what is pastel and what is software, and the third one, what is solar driving vehicles, and what is internal combustor engine using hydrocarbon fuel vehicle, and analysis of pastel, and analysis of soft, and last one, conclusion. Okay. Now I am going to the first slide, which is about what is pastel. Okay. Now discuss about the pastel. The pastel analysis is the measurement of farm work and diagnostic tools. Considering pastel analysis, it will help you to understand the factor internal to your organization which impact upon your strategy and the achievement of your object. Pastel basically six for factor, which is P for P stand for political, E stand for economics, S stand for social, T stand for technical, E stand for environmental, and last one L stand for legal. So that is the uh, overview of pastel, and now I'm going to the second slide, which is about what is SWOT. So now discuss about the soft. Basically, soft analysis is a technical developed at Stanford and in the frequently used, which is talk about strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats, and it is structured plan method that evaluate those four elements of an organization product, project, and business avenue. A soft analysis is a simple but powerful framework and framework the organization to stand proving your weakness, minimize threats, and taking the greatest possible advantage of opportunities. Okay, that is the uh, overview of the soft, and the next slide, which is about what is the solar driving vehicle. Definition: solar driving analysis vehicle. So a solar vehicle or solar electric vehicle is an electric vehicle powered completely or significantly by direct solar energy. Usually, usually PV cell containing a solar panel converted the sun's energy directly into electric energy. The term solar vehicle usually simplifies that solar energy is used to power uh, all or part of a vehicle's pollution. Solar power may be also used to provide power of communication, of controls, and other luxury function. Okay, that is the definition of solar solar driving vehicle. And the example is in our country there are not a few, not lot of, but a few number of vehicle which is used in solar planet, and that is the solar driving vehicle. And the next slide, which is about the what is the internal combustor engine using hydrocarbon fuel vehicle. A hydrocarbon internal combustion engine vehicle is a type of hydrogen vehicle which using an internal combustion engine. Hydrogen internal combustion engine vehicle are differently from hydrogen fuel cell, which vehicle which use technically use of hydrogen rather than the combustion. combustion. Instant, the hydrogen internal combustion engine is a simple, modified version of traditional gasoline powered and internal combustor engine, and the vehicle internal, which is usually generally used in our country, which is normally most of the vehicle which is using the hydrocarbon fuel, petrol, diesel, gas, it is the hydrocarbon fuel. And okay, now I am going to the next slide, which is about discuss about the pastel analysis. The first of all which is political. The political view Bangladesh have literally accomplished and are various challenges, which is most financial, technical, and regulatory in nature. It may be patient to share there that this challenge are not unique in Bangladesh concept. There's a majority justice station and uh, justice station. Since the solar project are more complex, unpredictable, and full of unforeseen risks and dangers, the investor in field may face serious financial challenges, having impact on future development and commercialized of the project of technologies. So that is the political part, and the next of is economical. The maintenance cost are very low of this car, as one doesn't need to change mobile oil, gear oil, and no issue with the engine. On the other hand, the hydrocarbon fuel, petrol, diesel, and octane uses as high maintenance cost and also issue the engine. Solar panel has a durability of 2 years, which make it even more product friendly and of Bangladesh users. But IC engine vehicle doesn't have has this type of durability. And okay, then next one, which is about the social. The sociological factor takes into consideration all the event of effect the market and community socially. Renewable energy technology can solve this problem by harnessing energy for countries free flowing renewable, such as wind, waves, sunshine, wave, and the biggest example of the solar driving car. And okay, the next one, which is about the technological, the Bangladesh concept of the solar car are electric cars that are photovoltaic cell and converted energy from sunlight to electrically. This car can store some solar energy in the batteries, of allows them to run smoothly at night or in the absence of the direct sun. Since the first solar power car was invented, inventors have realized that the solar energy is the way to go. All they need to do is develop and sophisticated technology that will use solar energy to operate. Okay, and the next of environmental, in Bangladesh, the global pollution will be continuing going up, but on the earth that was definitely amount of oil, coal, and natural. Basically, uh, basically the impact analysis of system is mathematical predict of that show how much environment friendly that system is, or how much harm can it cause. It is very important factor regarding feasibility measurement of system. This research is mainly forced on listen the conventional energy consumption by using renewable energy in Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, electricity is mainly produced by using thermal power plant. Those internal power plant, they are key source of carbon dioxide gas emission, resulting in enhanced greenhouse effect. Okay, that is the environment part, and And then the next part, which is about legal. In Bangladesh, the government established law regarding solar power vehicle that they have categorized their vehicle as legal. Okay, that is the whole part of pastel analysis. And the next slide, which is about analysis of soft. And the first of S, which is strength, and the discuss this soft, and that is strength and the modern technology. Solar energy is not new in the world, but when it comes to solar car, that are huge jump into terms of car development. The second and fuel efficient, as a solar vehicle use alternative energy to moving along it, don't depend on fuel. Day by day, the fuel source are being limited in dependently. The hydrocarbon vehicle is regarding in amount of fossil fuel. On the other hand, using solar vehicle can we can really less fuel and saving natural source. And the next one, which is environment friendly. Bangladesh is one of the most populated country among the world. It is polluted rate increase in this rate. Near future, this will be major health and environment problem. Greenhouse gas emission from transportation primarily comes from the burning fossil fuel. For Ford vehicle, for our vehicle, solar vehicle doesn't depend on fuel. They reduce greenhouse gas emission like our carbon dioxide. Solar vehicle doesn't emit gas the environment, so air doesn't get polluted. And the last one, which is about no energy cost, which is definitely solar energy cannot be energy and okay. And the next one, which is about the weakness. Weakness highly initialized cause weather depend manufacturing pollution. That is the main factor of weakness part. And the next slide, which is about opportunity. Digital Bangladesh renewable energy no competitor yet. Definitely, this opportunity, this solar technology can be used after. Bangladesh has a vision of full digitalization, improving solar technologies and marketing. Solar car can change the view of country by making digital transportation system. The country can be digitalized. Okay, and the next slide, which is about threat. Okay, which is about the threat. The first title is an energy failure. As a solar vehicle depend fully on sunlight, is not easy to store solar energy. It is if there is no sunlight, how the energy can be stored, it is still a question mark. Rising power of raw material. Solar driving vehicle is a new area of technology in the global world. And as the technology it just comes to market, so there may have a lack of part marketing, and that is and okay. And the next slide is about conclusion. Hydrocarbon vehicle no eco-friendly, limitation limited cause of major health risks, which is definitely occurs by the hydrocarbon driven fuel vehicle. The solar driven vehicle eco-friendly, renewable, less maintenance of facilities, and boost public health. Okay, and there I have attached some reference about this slide. So thank you to do my presentation in front of you.